Welcome back to Pickett Build. Get in here, we're working on this trailer.
What's up, dude? Alright, so you can see that we have all this set up right outside here. I've got the axle, all the leaf springs, the toolbox, including the bed. And we are going to get industrial and do some power washing on all this. I don't have a sandblaster, but we can sure power wash everything before we start painting. Closer look here after power washing all this stuff. Just trying to get everything really clean. Rear diff. I think that did a really good number on this toolbox. Looks clean. We can still, I'm gonna probably maybe wet sand and kind of get all this nastiness off. See if we can't shine this up just a little bit. And got the bed completely power washed. Got all that grime out.
So we used the Easy Off. Let's give it a try. I've heard that Easy Off works really well for stripping paint, and I feel like it was an epic fail. I didn't really, paint stripper, the paint stripper that you can buy these days, it just doesn't work like old school paint stripper does. I was trying to avoid using like an abrasive wheel. I just thought maybe the Easy Off might be something that, I figured I'd give it a shot. Sandblaster didn't work. I'm not gonna wire wheel it. I thought the Easy Off might be a solution, getting all that paint off. It seems like that paint, whatever they put on there, some sort of, maybe it was exterior paint or like a Rust-Oleum tractor paint that they rolled on. I don't know, but the stuff is pretty dang heavy duty. I mean, it's not coming off like automotive paint would. So I picked up some Harbor Freight, just abrasive pads, and I'm gonna go at it with this. Toyota. Alright, we got most of this stripped down. Pretty good. Alright, now we just got to start the body work.
all cleaned up so we can paint it as well.
Alright guys, what I'm doing is PORing all these parts, and this stuff is pretty stout stuff. I mean, it's pretty much paint on powder coat, and trying to do all this stuff as much as I can, including the leaf springs, including the rear diff, and then we're gonna also paint this frame. I'm not gonna do POR with the frame. I've got some other stuff. I'm planning on using like a 2K chassis paint. And anyway, I'm going to continue degreasing all this rear axle, and that's my next step, is to get that painted as well so we can start reassembly. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time.